barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another stream. Happy Monday for all of you guys out there. If you guys in the evening, morning. Hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. Had kind of like a long weekend, so just getting back into the charts, getting back into the groove of things. So it should be kind of fun. You know, we should, just kind of have a chill kind of Monday. I'm not expecting a lot of movers today. It's November 16th. So we're about halfway across the month. So we'll see what we do today. Right now I'm currently looking at a couple of ideas, mostly USD based pairs. So we have kind of JPUSD right over here. Actually the DXY. So we have kind of bullish momentum coming up. We're starting to see some kind of weakness above the DXY, which is kind of a good signal. Just because we're kind of more against the DXY momentum at the current moment on our ideas. So we have, kind of bearish momentum, if I can see right over, yeah. So we have bearish momentum right over here. So that's kind of a good thing. Once we see bearish momentum and we're starting to see some weakness out of that, that's actually a good thing for us. So yeah, starting to see some weakness, making some kind of lower highs right over here. So we'll see if we continue to transition down below the 50 and then the 800 EMA. So if that happens, we'll start to see some weakness on our pairs, and so EURUSD, we're gonna start gaining strength with that, which is a kind of a good idea. So because we are looking for longs today, so we're looking for longs off that 50 EMA, and we're looking for a bounce and then a continuation up to the upside. So that'll be a kind of a good idea, and I'm really down to see that. Using JPY, still have my swing trade. I have like about 25% in for my swing trade, just a really good swing trade. Like honestly, like I've been waiting for this thing for such a long time, and I think this is, a solid swing trade. It went all the way down to 4.15 R or 84 pips, risking about 20 pips. So it's pretty good for me, in my opinion. A really good swing trade. Just basically looking at structure, basically looking at the higher time frame bias for confluence and probabilities, and trading the momentum. So this is something that I teach in my coaching. Just these type of ideas, these type of swing trading ideas. People tend to kind of tend to kind of overcomplicate the ace-fix systems when they don't even need to. It's simple. Keep it simple, stupid. That's something that they teach in the military. Just don't overcomplicate things. Like for example, the military alphabet. People overcomplicate that. It's not hard. It's just literally the alphabet, but in the military letters. So Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, A, B, C, D, E, F, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, Mike. So it's just, stuff like that. So currently we're looking maybe for another re-entry. If we see that on USD JPUSD, we have kind of a long bias on it today right now too. I like how we're coming off the daily pivot and kind of the 200 EMA. So that's something that I like to see. And then as well as the DXY starting a weekend, this will go toward our idea. So we have kind of slightly bearish divergence, very slightly bearish divergence right over here. So yeah, we're making higher lows right over here. Higher low. I'll call this an insignificant higher low for G1s. Will be a significant higher low, And then yeah, so we're getting a lot of momentum on that right now. So as you can see there, for me, I would generally get in probably for a reentry. I don't know. It's above the 50. It's not a swapping liquid 50, but the liquid 50 is falling. So that's generally a good thing. So the 50 EMA is in a way, and as well as we have some bearish divergence on top, right over here. So you know, but definitely enough risk to reward toward the top. If I was gonna take it off the pin low, it should be about let's see. So pin low will be right over here. Right over here, so my entry will probably be right over here off the 200 EMA. So yeah, about 2.3 Rs. So yeah, definitely enough risk to reward. On top of that, so basically, all we're looking for is kind of a retest now. We're seeing a lot of momentum on that. I'm not getting in just because it's going up. Obviously, I want like a really good retest toward the 50 EMA, and then once we see that, you know, we see consolidation with the liquid 50 holding in the buy zone, then I'm gonna go enter in that position. So we'll see. We'll see what we do here. I'm gonna send an alert just in case I miss kind of the re-entry. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, we're seeing kind of more bearish divergence on top of here. So that's something I like. I would generally take a scalp off this if it's off. See if it's off. It really is significant low. It's only off the 21 EMA, so not really. 4 hour 8 EMA. Yeah, it's not really off a significant level. If it was off a significant level, I would probably scalp that. Also, we're making progress on that scalping system. We'll see what we do. I think I feel much better on the indices side for sure. So maybe I could release it on like trading indices. Forex side, I mean, it's just pretty self-explanatory, but you're not going to see the volatility. It's pretty easy to kind of just use it, but it's hard to, you won't see the volatility that you see on indices. So I mean, like, we're off I guess like the 21 EMA, which I guess you can call kind of a little significant level. Not really. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, not really. So, you know, we could see kind of more bearish action right there. Possible re-entry there. And EURUSD, we have bearish bullish divergence, excuse me. So we have kind of price action coming down. So we could see kind of a breakout right over here. I like this actually. I like how the liquid 50 has been holding the buy zone. I like the risk to reward on that. I think we're looking for kind of a breakout right now. Got some bearish bullish divergence right over here. So I kind of like that. I like that. Trading EU right there. As DXY starting to weaken as we're breaking through the 200 EMA, so we definitely can continue going down. Yeah, I mean, like, if we close bearish with this candle right over here, yeah, definitely continue going down right over here. So that goes with our idea on EU. So I think I may enter on EU. I like it, to be honest. I like how the liquid 50 is holding the buy zone. It's definitely a C setup just because, you know, bearish averages on top. And then as well as, you know, with this setup, you know, if looking at a kind of a left to right angle, left to right, like Austin says, the 50 EMA is in the way, and then as well as, you know, liquid 50 is falling slightly, so, and we are in a downshift as well on that, so I don't like how that, when that happens. But, you know, there's definitely enough for us to ward toward the top, so it's definitely long bias. I definitely like this idea more than anything else today. I was looking at it prior, so it definitely makes sense to me. Alright, so we're seeing some bearish momentum on that, which is kind of interesting. Interesting. I still like EU. We could just bounce off this level for sure, though. Because it is the 50 E main, the 50 minutes, so we'll see what we do toward this level. If we retrace and continue going down. No, what the heck? That's unfortunate. Yeah, it looks like the XY just broke through the 50, so we can continue going up. So if that happens, then we could see a reversal and then a continuation of that momentum toward the downside. Yeah, looks like it's trying to break through that level right there. So if we look at the DXY, it's, broke through the 50, now it's continuing to go up. Now, looks like it's just bouncing off that 50 EMA level, which is a significant level because it could just like literally bounce up, bounce down, and then continue going higher. So that's why, you're gonna have to be careful with that idea. Yeah, looks like he's starting to continue pushing lower. So nothing you could do there. That's pretty much it for my holy shit. Is that DXY or holy shit? What the fuck? Holy shit! Is that DXY or is that me? Or is, I mean, is that DXY or is that Nasdaq? Nasdaq is just pushing higher. Is that DXY? Yeah, that's DXY. And the Nasdaq. I think the dollar is some news event just happened, so this thing just literally popped about 20 points in less than a second. Which is freaking nuts. Yeah, that's DXY. Look at that. Look at that momentum. GPUSD. Nothing on GPUSD, but on USD look at that. Look at that, guys. Damn. Holy crap. I would hate to be short there. I hope none of you guys were short there. Holy crap, look at that momentum. It's nuts. I'm closing my JPY trade, I think. About like maybe probably around over 80%. Actually no, about another like percentage. Just because I don't want to get stopped out on that. Yeah, JPY just continue going higher. Years. Yeah, I think it's just USD news based because I'm not seeing any other momentum. Like on JPY, let's see. Yeah, it's could be a global economic news event because JPYs are getting affected real quick. So I'm guessing it would be JPY inflicted. So, you know, kind of a news event on the global scale. Let's just check Forex Factor real quick. Yeah, Nasdaq is going crazy. It's not going crazy in one direction, it's just going crazy in both directions. Yeah, it's freaking going crazy. So it says longer shelf life for its COVID vaccine candidates at refrigerated temperatures. Holy bro, you could even stop this. You know, I think news events are so stupid. Like these stupid news events, because literally like it doesn't even make any sense why a pair is moving a certain way. It just moves. Even if it's like for example, long shelf life for its COVID-19 vaccine candidates at refrigerated temperatures. Like the Nasdaq was falling because of that. Why is the Nasdaq falling because of that? That's good news for the U.S. economy, you know. And it's like, look at this. Just a continual fall like that. That's insane. So it doesn't even make logical sense on why like the Nasdaq is falling, you know? So yeah, Nasdaq is just continue to fall. So there's no like kind of yeah, I don't see any other news events. Yeah. So that was a news event that just happened. It's causing a lot of volatility toward the Nasdaq side. It's, like look at that. Just look at that momentum. So that's causing JPY to just increase volatility. So JPY is literally from that move. What is that? Look at that. About almost a 0.5% of a move right there in like less than 5 minutes. Look at that. That freaking volatility. This one was added. Modern investing is seen at stable 30 days at refrigerator temperatures. Modern vaccine has seen stable 30 days at refrigerator temperatures. Modern vaccine candidate now expected to remain stable at standard refrigerator temperatures of 2 degrees to 8 degrees Celsius. Moderna shipping in long-term storage conditions at standard freezer temperatures of 20 D. So that's, you know, it's just kind of stupid news events like these that don't even make any sense. That why is the Nasdaq falling? Why are tech stocks falling? And look at the S&P 500 increasing in volatility. Now, this kind of makes sense to me, but not in a logical term. Like if we look at the Dow Jones just increasing in volatility, so the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 just increasing because those are the industrial side. So if you think about it, that's good for the economy. But the tech stocks are just literally falling, as you can see right over here, which in turn doesn't even make any sense. You know. It literally doesn't make any sense because, you know, that's good for the economy. So why is it falling? The reason why it's falling is because, you know, tech stocks was kind of the majority of what the move that happened during COVID-19. So, you know, with COVID-19, I guess coming into, this is my opinion, coming into like, you know, having a cure for it or vaccine for it, that could be bad for these companies. I mean, I wouldn't say bad. I would just say like maybe loss in revenue, just because these tech companies literally flourished during COVID-19, like Amazon, Apple, because people were at home and bored and just wanted to spend more and more and more stuff. So, you know, in turn, you know, the spending would be less. But look at that. So, I mean, everything else looks like it's going up. So nothing you could do there, you know. It's just crazy to see like why, you know, it doesn't really make logical sense on why the kind of the Nasdaq is just kind of falling, you know, because it's good for the U.S. economy, you know, having a vaccine for, you know, the coronavirus. But you know, it is what it is, you know. Nothing will ever make sense whenever you're trading. All you could do is just, you know, not anticipate but react properly on that news event, you know. So hopefully no one was short on that trade on UJ, because that would suck. Hopefully not. I'm scalping this real quick, just for a quick RR. Just scalping the momentum. That's my entry right there. Just 1R, just quicken out. I'm gonna lock my stop at break even real quick. Just waiting for that minute candle to close bullish, and then I'm locking my stop at break even on that. Yeah, we had literally the same news event like that happened. I think last Monday too. Just doesn't really make any sense, you know, where tech stocks will be falling on a good news event. But it is what it is, you know. That's the market for you. Yeah, I wasn't able to get that out. So if we break through this level, I'm just getting out for like a 0.08% of a loss. Not even a lot, because it was just a quick scalp. So if we break through this, it'll be a 0.008. So 0.08, not 80%. Phase 3 study of vaccine efficiency 94.85%. Good news. Yeah, of course it's good news, bro. I like reading these comments. They're just funny to me. Funny, but at the same time, last week, same pattern, same result. Though this time wasn't. Yeah, same results. I think I'm getting out right now. Yeah. I'm gonna get out right now. Alright, just a quick loss. 0.08%, so not even 0.010% of a loss. Actually, for less because I got out early. Yeah. Around that. There's no such thing as altering your DNA, brother. Looks like Nasdaq's starting to jump off that level right there. Which could be good. But yeah, I got out of my JPY pair. I'll do a little recap for you guys later. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing really that I could do there. I knew there was just a lot of momentum, so I got out of this pivot right over here. So in turn, like, I made about a percent on that trade, 1.5%. So for me, that's a good trade. plus some low scalps as well, just trading the momentum from like right over here to right over here. Just trading that momentum, trading the liquid 50, trading the momentum. So yeah, we're still up on kind of like yesterday's move. I mean, kind of like for today technically, because I closed out of this trade, so we're still up. So that loss that I just took, I'm still up for the day because I just closed out of this green trade. I just like looking at comments like that. It reminds me of the good old days. Whenever I was like, oh, Trump tweeted this, or you know, this stupid news event caused gold to go up, or JP News, Brexit, or whatever. Just funny to look at those things. Looks like we did have some kind of like momentum too on USD, on EURUSD, but not as much as we saw on USD/JPY. Like an actual directional move. EURUSD looked like kind of just choppiness. JPY looks like kind of a directional move toward the upside. So it's interesting, just interesting. I think JPY would maybe continue going higher. Last time the news event happened, is just, you know, the news event continued going higher for about 1 or 2 days. It kind of was an intraday trend until it reversed into the normal longer term trend. That's usually what you see. Yeah, but I think I'm pretty much done for the day. Actually not for the day technically, because I'm still going to be trading New York session. But done for the session. I'm going to take a little break, get some coffee. I mean, take a shower, get ready, you know. But anyway, so it should be kind of fun to see what we do today. So yeah, happy Monday for all of you guys. No, the New York hasn't even opened yet, bro. New York opens at 8:30. Definitely fundamentals. But anyways, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. Let me know if you guys need me or anything like that. Pretty much done for the trading session. I'm up about, I'll say about almost to 0.30% because of this trade, 0.35% because of this trade. So I'm still green for the day, even though I took like a small loser scalp right over here. But it is what it is. You just gotta continue on. We'll see what we do today on New York Open. I don't know if I'll be trading Nasdaq because I just don't really like how the Nasdaq. I don't know what this vaccine news event is gonna do to the Nasdaq. So if it just continues going short, it's not really something that I'm looking to short today. So I may just go with the bias on Dow Jones today. I like trading Dow Jones and S&P 500 whenever you're seeing kind of a good kind of a higher time frame bullish trend. So I may just trade that today on the open. But anyways, hope you guys are having a freaking awesome day. See you guys tomorrow on Tuesday. So yeah, just have a great day, have a great week. You know, let's get this week started. Let's get this week started in the right way. So yeah, I'm excited to put in the work. And yeah, if you guys are having a freaking awesome day, let me know if you guys need me, and I'll see you guys later.